How can I test a voltage regulator on a Onan generator?
Hello, my name is I am going to assist you with this. What is the full model number of the genset?
5.5 PEM-FA 1158H. SN #L9900300946. Marquis 5500.
To start, find the voltage regulator mounted to the base pan of the set, directly behind the control box. It is the aluminum box about 3 inches square with the 12 wires coming out of it. The connector is actually inside the control box. Remove the control panel. Unplug the connector. Set your meter to ohms. Testing on the harness side of the plug, not the voltage regulator itself, ohm across pins J49 and J410. It should read 20 to 30 ohms. Next, we need to check the brushes and slip rings. Remove the air cleaner. Directly behind the air cleaner is the end bell of the generator. In the middle of the end bell is a small plastic rectangular cover. Use a flat tip screwdriver to pry the cover out and expose the brush block. The brush block will have 2 round holes in it with a single uninsulated wire going through. This is the brush lead. Use a small probe or piece of small diameter stiff wire and push the probe through the hole until it touches the brush. Mark the probe where it is flush with the brush block. Remove the probe and measure from the mark to the end of the wire. If it is more than 1 inch, the brushes are worn out and must be replaced. Remove the 2 screws securing the brush block, turning each screw 3 to 4 times each. The brush block must come out straight, as it is made of ceramic and is very fragile. Be careful not to drop the screws down into the end bell. They are very difficult to retrieve. Use the wires to help pull the brush block out. Inspect the ends of the brushes. They should be smooth and not cracked or chipped. They should be worn into an even arch pattern. They should slide freely into and out of the brush block. If they stick or bind, clean the brush block with electrical contact cleaner. Inspect the slip rings. They are the 2 bands that the brushes ride on. They are made of copper and should be as shiny as a new penny. They should be smooth and have no pits or scratches. If they are dirty, you can clean them by removing the spark plug wires and grounding them out. You do not want the engine to start when cleaning them. Attach a piece of Scotch-Brite to the end of a small stick. Press the Scotch-Brite against the rings and crank the set. Do not crank for more than 15 seconds without stopping for a minute or 2 to let the starter cool. When the rings are clean, ohm across them. They should read 20 to 30 ohms. If not, the rotor is bad and must be replaced. If it is good, reinstall the brush block. Reconnect the 12-pin connector at the voltage regulator. Set your meter to VDC and connect the black probe to a good ground. Insert the red probe into the back of the plug at wire J47 and press the start button. It should read at least 10 volts. Insert the red probe into the back of the plug at wire J49 and press start. It should read at least 12 volts and climb as you hold start. Insert the red probe into the plug at wire J410 and press start. This voltage can vary from 1.5 to 20 volts, as long as there is voltage showing. What are the results of these tests?
Generator motor will run but not put out any voltage. I will check with you if give me and I will let you know how I make out. Thank you.
The tests I gave you are the starting point. They may pinpoint the problem right off, or we may have to do a couple other tests once we get these results.
Okay. I get back with soon results.
Okay. Have you done these tests yet?
Not yet. Going to work on it this afternoon.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.